Welcome, you are watching Advanced AI. Our topic today is, are humans also like AI? This question is as simple as it sounds, but it is as deep and complex as AI, i.e., artificial intelligence, which we see as the future of humanity. And humans who have been living on Earth for thousands of years, with their unique thinking and intelligence, then is there really so much similarity between humans and AI that we can see both of them in the same way? Today, we will talk about this and try to understand. We will talk about how we are like AI and how we are completely different from them. In this journey, we will see how human ability to think and understand develops, how humans collect data from the environment around them, and how we are similar and different from AI. This is going to be an exciting journey, so let's start it. The learning process of human beings. When a child is born, he comes into this world without any knowledge. He does not have any language. He does not know how to speak or how to walk. But as he grows up, he learns things from his family, society, and environment. This process is like an AI is collecting data. AI also needs data first so that it can learn something. And humans also receive information from their surrounding environment since childhood. Suppose a child is growing up in a village with his family. He observes the people around him, listens to them, and learns their language. He learns their mannerisms like how to walk, how to speak, and how to behave socially. All this is new to him, but slowly and gradually he learns everything from his environment. Now imagine if two people were born at the same time. Twin children should be brought up in different places, one in a modern city in Europe and the other in a mountain village in Africa. Both are born at the same time, but their way of thinking, understanding, and behaving will be completely different. Why? Because they have collected data in different environments. A child growing up in Europe learns a different language, a different culture, and a different lifestyle. Whereas a child growing up in Africa receives a completely different type of data which affects his thinking process. It helps us to understand that humans too, like AI, are based on their experiences and data. Our thoughts, likes, dislikes, and our way of life depends on the data learned from the environment around us is AI and the similarities of the human brain. Now the question arises that how much similarity is there between humans and AI? AI is given data for training, it processes that data, and then takes decisions based on that data. Humans also work in a similar way. Whatever we learn from childhood to adulthood is data from our experiences in the surrounding environment. Our thinking and understanding process is also based on this data. For example, when a child learns to eat, it learns from its parents what to eat and how to eat. Similarly, AI is also shown what kind of data it has to work with and how to take decisions. But a big difference is that it is taught like humans. It has both logic and emotion. AI works only on the basis of logic, whereas humans also include their emotions in the decision-making process. It is emotions that make humans different from AI. For example, if there is a painful experience, it not only learns from that experience, but the emotions associated with that experience also remain with it. AI does not have any system that can understand emotions. For AI, data is just data, but for humans, data. Along with this, emotions are also associated with its experiences. Can we change our thoughts with technology in the future? Now, if humans are also based on data like AI, is it possible that we can change our thoughts and emotions with technology? Is it possible to make a person happy by changing his unhappy thoughts? This question sounds like science fiction, but considering the development of today's technology and neuroscience, it is impossible. It does not seem that the research being done in the field of neuroscience is indicating that in the future, we can reprogram our brain like a computer. If this becomes possible, then it can prove to be a big revolution in the field of mental health. Many people. This can be a new hope for those who are struggling with depression, anxiety, or other mental disorders. If we can change the negative thoughts present in a person's mind, then we can bring a positive change in his life. And there are many similarities in AI, but one thing that makes humans different from AI is our uniqueness. We are not just based on logic and data. Our emotions, morality, and our depth of thinking make us different from AI. We have logic. There is also a sensitivity which makes us flexible according to our circumstances. For example, when we are in a difficult situation Our brain not only logics, but our emotions also play a role in that decision. This is not possible for AI because it only depends on the data that is given to it. So can we say that humans are also like AI in many ways? Yes, but the sensitivity and emotions inside us make us completely different from AI. It may happen in future that we will be able to control our thoughts and emotions through technology, but the unique identity of humans, our emotions and morality will always remain. This is what makes us a unique creature. Will AI be able to feel like humans in the future? Will we? The question of whether we will be able to change our thoughts through technology is in the womb of the future. But one thing is certain, this journey of science and technology is going to be very exciting. If you like this video, then do like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Advanced AI.